बाइकल्ला में अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट देख रहे हो और इस प्रॉपर्टी को नहीं देखा तो आप एक बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस कर सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स। तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम आपके लिए ले आए हैं एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट जो बाइकल्ला का हिडन जेम कहा जाता है। इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में फ्रेंड्स जितना हम कहें उतना कम है, बिकॉज अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करें, हम कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी की बात करें तो जितना कहे उतना कम है। एज यू कैन सी इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन प्रोजेक्ट by one of the top architects of Mumbai and a reputed developer. G+22 story tower with 4 levels of podium car park, and location wise it is one of the prime location in Byculla. Rani Bagh school, colleges, station, hospital, everything is just 5 minutes away from this project friends, and it's bang on the main road. It's not in any by lanes. ये project exact on main road पे है. So let's go and see this project friends. So as you enter, left hand side में there is a parking area. That's the area from where your car will enter, and you have a big parking space over here. That's your car lift. या lift से आपकी कार ऊपर जाएगी और parking space में चली जाएगी, and this is the entry for your cars. It's a good space, and let's check out the entrance lobby now. So a beautiful aesthetic double heighted entrance lobby, air conditioned, and that's the area for your guests to wait. You have a waiting area over here. That's where your reception is, and you have 2 lifts over here as well. That's the area for your staircase. A small project, very limited flats available, and that's your car park friends, or covered car park, which is available for your guests as well. So this is the corridor friends. That's a flat over there. That's a 2 BHK flat. This is again a 2 BHK, and that's a 3 BHK. 2 lifts and a staircase. 3 apartments on each floor. Very limited flats, a good height. We are checking out this 3 BHK today. This is more than 1500 square feet carpet. So as you enter, you can see you have a foyer area over here. You can have your shoe rack over here, and you can make a sitting area for your guests so that they can sit over here. And as we go ahead, you have your living area over there. You have all your bedrooms over here on one side, and this is one of the bedroom. We'll check this bedroom, but before that we'll check the living area. So a beautiful, grand, spacious, big living area with 2 windows. One is over here, other one is over there. Let's check out the views, how the views are, and a good height. So this is the view you can enjoy from a 3 BHK of this project. That's your Rani Bagh over there, and you can enjoy these views. So we are checking out this flat which is on the higher floor. This flat is available for sale with us. And look at the size. A very spacious living area. It's very difficult to find such a big living area in new construction, and that's the area where you have all your bedrooms and your kitchens. A kitchen with 2-sided platforms, a good spacious kitchen, and that's the area where you have your window over there, and it is overlooking the sea. And again the Rani Bagh. So views is not a problem, and that's the area to keep your washing machine. That's where you can keep your refrigerator. So as I said, views are not a problem with this project. This is one of the bedroom. It can be used as a guest bedroom or your kids bedroom, and it also has the excellent views of the sea and the Rani Bagh. A lot of green area. That's an elephant over there. So you can enjoy the animals of Rani Bagh from your window. So let's check out the other bedrooms now. But before that, we have this common washroom which can be used by your guests or anyone in your family. This is one of the master bedroom with a wooden flooring, and this is the washroom. A spacious bedroom, friends, and a wooden flooring, good paint quality, and a good floor to ceiling height. Two-sided windows, and again the views of the Rani Park and the sea. That's your piramal over there. So those who are looking for a spacious apartment, not ready to compromise in space, this is the right choice for them. This is again the third bedroom, a master bedroom with a washroom over there. So we have 2 and 3 BHK apartments for sale in this beautiful project. Very limited flats available. If you are interested, please call us on the number given on your screen. Thank you so much for watching this video.